You can speak your desired reality into existence. You can think your desired reality into existence. You can feel your desired reality into existence. And the best thing for you to do would be to just like do all these three things I just mentioned simultaneously. Why? Because they combined have the power to just transform your entire reality and give you such wonderful experiences and give you all your manifestations. Because what is the foundation of every manifestation? The foundation of every manifestation is your state of being. And what creates a state of being? Your thoughts, your belief system. Also, you have ritual feeling patterns, like your feelings are energy. What do I always tell you? Emotion is energy in motion. So your feelings actually create your energy. They're such an important component of your state of being. And the words you speak are so important, like affirmations are very powerful affirmations, because like you give them power by repeating them. Words are like spells, so use these spells to your advantage. So all of these things create your state of being. All of these things create who you are. They create your identity. They create your self-concept. And what people do when manifesting, sometimes they just focus on one of these things. They just focus on one of these things. So for example, like somebody just decides that they're just gonna like affirm, but they don't pay attention to their habitual feeling patterns, and then don't pay attention to what do they say to like other people, to themselves on a daily basis. Like they do their affirmations for like 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the afternoon, and 5 minutes in the evening, and then the rest of the day, like both their thoughts and the words they speak out loud are just like such a mess, and they're just like full of lack, limitation, and negativity. And then these people are like wondering what they are doing wrong. Well, they are basically sabotaging all of their positive affirmations with the negative self-talk and with negative words they keep repeating. Or someone is doing good with their affirmations, but they don't pay attention to their feelings, and they may affirm one thing, but then they may feel the other thing. So your thoughts, your words, and your feelings have to be in alignment. Your thoughts, your words, and your feelings have to be in congruence in order for you to very easily manifest anything you want to manifest, and just basically to improve the overall quality of your life and the overall quality of your reality. So don't just focus on one thing. Focus on harmonizing your entire inner world. Focus on harmonizing your entire state of being, because that's how you get to your desired reality. Remember that your desired reality already exists as a quantum potential, something out there in the infinite quantum field of potential. Like this reality, the moment you think about this reality is already a quantum possibility. And all you have to do is align with this reality. You have to align with it energetically. And the only way to align energetically with this quantum reality is to actually align your thoughts, your feelings, that's your energy, your words, and your entire state of being, your identity, with the identity of the person you would be in this reality. Because the more you do this, the more you embody this reality energetically, and eventually you find yourself shifting into this reality. But in order to do this, you get to take care of your inner world. Like you have to take care of your inner world. It's just like so important to harmonize your inner world, because when we think about reality and about the mirror principle, well, reality is your mirror. Reality always mirrors your dominant state of being. And your state of being is pretty much created by your belief system, your thoughts, your dominant emotions, your energy, and also like your entire demeanor, the words you speak, how you perceive yourself, your identity. So what do you want your reality to reflect? Because you can always elevate your state of being, you can always transform your state of being, you can always change your state of being. You are the creator of your reality, and this reality is malleable. And you can mold this reality however you want, and you can shape this reality however you want. But you never shape the reality from the outside. It just doesn't work that way. You never shape the reality from the outside. You have to go inside. You have to go inside in order to see the results on the outside, because the outside world is just a mirror of what's going on inside you. So the more harmonious thoughts, the more harmonious you entail the manner, the words you speak, how you perceive yourself, your identity, the more harmonious your emotions, the more you embody the emotions of your desired reality, the more you shift into this new reality, and the reflection around you just like rearranges itself and it starts mirroring your new state of being. So by all means, repeat your affirmations, but don't just repeat them 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the afternoon, and 5 minutes in the evening and expect your reality to change. No, saturate your mind with your new belief system. Saturate your mind with the thoughts that will actually contribute to you getting the reality of your dreams. Because you are always thinking something inside your mind, so you can as well start thinking the thoughts that serve you. You can as well start putting in your mind the liberty, putting in your mind the beliefs that serve you. You are the only person thinking inside your mind. Nobody else is thinking inside your mind for you. So make sure to plant good thoughts in your mind, because the repetitive thoughts you think over and over again become embedded in your subconscious mind and start creating your belief system. And you can always just plant new thoughts in your subconscious mind. And the more you do this, the more you rewire yourself, and the more you allow the old program to let go. And the more you embody the new program, the program of abundance, the program of joy, the program of love, the program of you getting anything you want, any manifestation you want. But in order to do this, you have to repeat it, so you can brainwash yourself with the reality you want to experience. And also you have to feel your desired reality. You have to feel like you're already experiencing your desired reality. That's why every teacher, whether it comes to the law of attraction, law of assumption, or call it what you want, every teacher always tells you to be in the state of your wish fulfilled, to feel like you already have your manifestation. And the reason why they are telling you this is because whenever you do this, you create an energetic blueprint for the universe. You elevate your energy and you actually shift onto a higher frequency, on the frequency when you get your desires. And when the frequency of your desired reality and your frequency match, like that's when you just get this reality. That's when you get your manifestation. And you remember that your emotions are energy. So the better emotions you feel, the higher your vibration, the higher frequency, and the easier you align with your desired reality. And you also have to remember about the words you speak on a daily basis, because if you affirm in your head that you're an abundant person, that you have a lot of money, that money comes easy to you, but then like you complain to other people about your bills or about you not having enough money, like essentially these things are also affirmations, because your subconscious mind is always listening. So start talking more positively. Start paying attention to the thoughts you think and the words you speak and the feelings you feel. And also start paying attention to your identity. How do you perceive yourself? Like, do you perceive yourself as an abundant, successful person, and do you perceive yourself as a failure? Because remember that reality is a mirror, and reality is going to essentially reflect your identity. So all of those components of like feeling and thinking and speaking will just help you to shift your entire manner, so you can start acting like your higher self. And by acting like your higher self, like the person who's already experiencing the reality of your dream, by embodying the quality of this person, you actually shift into this reality. So you have to ask yourself this question: how is you in this reality? Like, how is this person? What is this person like? Like, what is their mindset? What are their values? What are their beliefs? How do they perceive themselves? How do they show up in their life? Like, you have to ask yourself these questions. You have to then embody the qualities of this person, and you have to embody the inner qualities of this person, because like outer qualities, like you won't shift into this reality if you just like start dressing as this person, like changing your style and no stuff like this. But on an inner level, like you're still full of lack and limitation. It's just not how you shift realities. You shift your realities by transforming your inner world. So remember that it always comes from within. That's why it's like taking care of your inner world and working on your inner world and being aware of what's actually going on in your inner world. It's so important. So I hope this is helpful, and I hope that right now you totally understand that yes, you can speak your reality into existence, you can feel your reality into existence, you can think your reality into existence. You actually have to do all the three things in order to get a more harmonious reality, in order to align with your manifestation, in order to get all of your manifestation fast and effortlessly. You have to be aware of what's going on inside you, because remember that what's going on inside you is the blueprint for your external reality. So by working on yourself and by personal development, by paying attention to spirituality and by just paying attention to what's going on inside you, you can create for yourself the most wonderful reality, because you are the creator of your reality. Nobody else is creating your reality for you unless you give them power to do this, and you certainly don't have to give away your power, because the power is within you and you can just use it to just get your manifestation and give yourself this wonderful, magnificent life that you absolutely do deserve. So pay attention to your habitual thinking patterns, pay attention to your habitual feeling patterns, and also pay attention to the words you speak on a daily basis. And when you transform your inner world, you will just notice such beautiful positive shifts in your external reality, because your inner world is the blueprint for your outer world. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.